What is up, boys and girls? Today we're working on the boy Joseph's car. You can see it in the background over there. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of diag. So the other day he was driving and heard like a hissing sound. So he's pretty sure he's got a vacuum leak somewhere. We think that one of the hoses may have come loose or popped off or something. So we're gonna give you guys a quick little diag. I'll show you guys a trick to kind of diagnose if you have a vacuum leak anywhere. And then we will take it apart and see what we can find. So give us a second and we'll show you guys how to do it. A vacuum leak coming from down in there. Well, we're gonna take this thing apart anyways, because he recently just put on this Go Fast Bits pull-off valve, and we're thinking maybe one of the hoses that's connected to that isn't connected properly. So we're gonna take this intercooler off, we're gonna look down in there, and we're gonna see what exactly we can find. So you guys stick around and we'll show you what we find and how to fix it, hopefully. So all right, guys, we couldn't really see much, but this hose that comes up here, yeah, that guy runs down under here and in there somewhere, and he tugged on it a little bit and it just popped right off. So I'm thinking it might have been loose and it kind of just popped off. So we secured it back on there. It doesn't have a hose clamp or anything, but we're gonna put it back together, start her up, and see if everything idles fine. I'm gonna clear the check engine light for the, what was it, running lean? Yeah. I'm gonna clear the check engine light for it running lean, and we'll run it for a little bit and see if it comes back. And then I guess we'll go from there. So yeah, I mean, not really anything crazy going on today. We're gonna work on my Subaru a little bit. But hopefully you guys could use that little trick for spraying brake clean to find your engine or your vacuum leak or whatever. I'm sure you guys probably already know about it, but just figured I'd throw it out there. So we'll see what we get into. If we do anything interesting with my Subaru, then I'll film it and show you guys. If not, then we'll catch you next time. Later. Well, boys and girls, I don't hear anything. I don't hear any hissing or anything like that, or any audible vacuum or air leaks. Hopefully we fixed the problem, but we'll see after we come in here. The man's is clearing the check engine light on his access port. So
well, I don't understand why my cruise control button won't go off either.
Your cruise control light comes on when your check engine light comes on in Subarus, because they don't want you driving long distances with the check engine light on. Good old Subarus, you know. Check engine light comes on, they turn off all your functions, but that's how it goes. So yeah, he's gonna clear that code. We're gonna let it run for a little while. I think it takes probably about 5 or 10 minutes for codes to come back up after you clear them if they're still persistent. But I don't know. Hopefully that fixed the problem. So I don't know. we'll let you guys know. If it fixed it, then cool, good solve, easy fix. The intercoolers on these are super easy to take off. It's awesome, way easier than in the GD body styles. But anyways, guys, really appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Subaru stuff. I'm going to be doing some how-to videos here soon. I just started a new job at a Subaru shop, so I'm going to be learning a lot there. So like I said, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Comment down below and like the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.